Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to win chess every time for beginners. We'll start by mastering the opening phase. Focus on controlling the central four squares with your pawns and minor pieces. Develop your knights and bishops to active positions, aiming for squares where they influence the center. Remember to castle your king early, typically within the first 7 to 10 moves, to bring it to safety and activate your rooks. Avoid unnecessary pawn moves or moving the same piece twice. Once the opening is complete, the mid-game begins. Here, your goal is to improve the position of all your pieces, ensuring they are active and well-coordinated. Focus on creating a solid pawn structure, which provides protection for your king and controls key squares. Always be on the lookout for tactical opportunities such as forks, pins, and skewers, which can win material. Remember to keep your king safe, ideally behind 3 pawns, throughout this crucial phase. The endgame often decides the game, even with minimal pieces. A key principle is to activate your king, bringing it into the center to support your pawns and attack enemy pieces. Focus on promoting your pawns to queens, as this is the most common way to achieve a decisive material advantage. Practice basic checkmating patterns, like king and queen versus king, to ensure you can convert your advantage. Opposition is also very helpful. To consistently win, you must minimize mistakes. Always double-check your intended move for any blunders, especially those that lose material or allow a checkmate. After each game, take time to review it, understanding where you went wrong and what you could have done better. Solving chess puzzles for 15 to 20 minutes daily will significantly sharpen your tactical vision. Play regularly against diverse opponents for valuable experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.